further it's not responding.
Mm-hmm.
I had done it's almost 40 minutes before. No, lab is
So you
my
done
own.
the certificate copy and paste on which
Yes.
device? On CS2,
And 3.
CS2 and CA3. And
Yes,
so
3.
this is not getting on board on the vManage GUI.
Yes, right.
You're not getting
Actually,
control
I'm
tunnel.
not getting. Actually, when I pasted the certificate, further they stuck in that process.
So Hitesh, I would request, okay, just do one
Mm-hmm.
thing. Just try to follow the video one more time. What I just explained. Okay,
Yes, actually, I
let me
followed the
do
video.
one thing. If it is not going to work tomorrow, I will check. Try to
Okay.
wipe, okay? Try to wipe.
Okay.
Try to
Okay.
wipe this device and try to follow the step by step. What step you have to do? Very first thing, you have to copy the certificate. Copy cert. This is the very once device is going to on, copy the cert
Okay.
and save the config. Save config means you have to write the configuration.
Configuration.
Then you have to assign the IP address, right?
Okay.
And then after assigning the IP address, and also one more thing, you have to verify the underlying reachability to the controller. That is second. Now
Okay.
also one more thing, if you using the pay-as-you-go VS devices, do not use which already used in these two deployment. Try to use new VS pay-as-you-go device, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then it should work. If it is not going to work, tomorrow I will help you in the live session, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry, but try one more time.
Okay.
All right. Hey everyone, I hope it was a great weekend for everyone and you guys enjoy the weekends.
Yeah, so I also faced issue.
Yeah, please. What issue?
Yeah. So actually, what I did, I have already onboarded the vManage controller and validator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And also, I onboarded the two CS devices, that is CS2 and CS3.
Mm-hmm.
And even I configured, internet config and BGP and all, everything was configured.
Mm-hmm.
But somehow Ranjan was also trying to do probably he was trying to configure it.
Mm-hmm.
But as he told, he was not aware, and somehow he wiped the configuration for both the devices, CS2 and CS3.
Okay.
Okay. So now the problem is when I'm trying, is this like when we are doing the wipe, that flash memory is also getting erased?
A complete device is going to be new if you're doing the wipe.
Yeah, so that certificate also got removed.
All right.
And after that, I again tried to copy the roots, that certificate,
Mm-hmm.
and again tried to onboarding it, but it's not happening. Even that control connections towards vManage and vBond is also not happening on the CLI. Right, when we are like doing some configuration, basic configuration like system and that interface and what we say, the IPsec and all those configuration, when we did
Mm-hmm.
on that time, the control connection towards vManage and vBond was established, right?
Mm-hmm.
It should be established, but it's not happening now. Even though I have visibility towards the, controller, vManage, validator, everything, the visibility is there. But
So your
it's not.
controller is onboarded, all controller you onboarded.
Yes.
Only you're
Yes.
not able to onboard the new devices, right?
Yes.
You wipe the devices again, but still not able to onboard.
Yeah.
Now tell me
earlier it
for
was-
the CS devices, you wipe or you just trying to onboard the old configuration?
No, that CS devices Ranjan wiped it, and then I did the configuration newly again. The same
Okay.
config.
So what you can do that? Just try to decommission this device. Means old devices you have here, na vanish devices. You might be going to find the onboarded devices are going to be invalid here, right? Or might be not going to be available here. You just have to find the serial number, which device.
Yeah.
You just have to make sure. You just first have to go in the certificate, and invalidate those certificate. Let's click here in invalidate this certificate. That is the first thing.
Device.
Yeah,
Okay.
the last onboarded device. And then after that, you have to go in the WAN control list here, and you just have to find those device again here, and you have to delete that device from here. Delete the WAN. Then try to get the new pay-as-and-go device from here, okay? And try to onboard that. Then it's going to be onboarded. I face the same issue for myself as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sure. Actually, I'm trying to catch you like for these things you are doing now. This template wala thing is actually I wanted to catch you so that we can go together. But that is not happening. Somehow this happened and now.
No, so do one
that is
thing.
done.
Don't worry
Yeah.
for the all labs, okay? Don't try to configure all lab. Just try to
Yeah.
work on these sections. You can do 90 or 100% things, but only you cannot do VRRP. We discussed TLOC extensions. So once you complete here, okay? Once you feel like I am good till here, try to do all things. Let me use some different kind of this one. Once you did this lab, you can test almost 95% things. Almost 95%. What you cannot test. Even myself also going to do a lot of work on these two sites only. Only what you're not going to test because TLOC extensions and VRRP and some policies. Okay. So first try to complete this template for these two sites onboard. If you feel like I onboard this story, you can use the same template to onboard this one. It will take hardly 30 minutes to onboard this remaining two device because the same device group, right? So you can use the same template and it's not going to get any issue. Make sense?
Yeah, but the problem is with the template. I have not yet. I mean, got the template. What I think is actually pending. It's not clear till now for me. So
I would
once
suggest.
once I'll do the lab, probably that then I can get those things.
Yeah, I totally understand. Totally. So try to do lab. Go with that. Okay. I know it's going to be challenging initially for everyone. SD-WAN is not easy. That's why you can see I talk a lot of CLI. Still, we are in the template having confusions. And you're going to find for the official training, they will never going to talk any CLI. Trust me, guys. I have gone multiple Cisco training where I paid almost $1,600 for the training SD-WAN initially. It's still the same pricing. If you go for the SD-WAN training for any reputed vendor, Cisco SD-WAN training.
Sir, I have a little bit experience on this.
Sorry?
I have a little bit experience on this.
Yes.
Regarding that, after I have
Uncle, did you share your screen? Because I cannot see the screen now.
when I try to configure, I am getting in the lab. I have seen that already configuration has been done. So now I am. If I move the next step, then I will not understand the previous step. So that is a little bit challenging. Come to be said.
1 minute. So RK, yes, my screen is shared. You guys are able to see my screen?
Yes.
RK,
cannot see.
you have some, you need to join.
Let me leave and rejoin.
Ranjan, you can just tell me the story one more time. I didn't understand. What is the story? Means you attended some training or the same training you're talking about that?
No, same thing. Actually, after I have done all the configuration, okay. So I didn't do the configuration. But when I entered and tried to do the configuration, that I have seen that after already done. So if I jump to the next step, then I can understand what happened in the previous configuration, not at the previous step. So that is a challenge for me because the configuration I am not doing after already done, and I have just seen this.
So I can only see this labs is right. You guys can trust me. These labs are very heavy labs. Okay, even I allocated almost 100 GB RAMs. You can see here how many RAMs I allocated. Let me show you. So you guys have to manage, like you have to make a plan, right? Even for the corporate training also, what happened? The group I created, one is doing, you have to find the common time slots. In that common time slot, one is doing, one is watching. And then you take a control, another is doing, another is watching. So you guys have to do it together. That's my recommendation. So try to make a time slot when time slot is available for both of you. So at least if you're not doing, at least you watch the steps and you just suggest for the steps. This is do what, this is do what. And let's suppose you onboarded one router, then go another one to onboard another router by the template. Same process, right? You create a template for let's 2 devices. So you do template creation for these 2 devices. Let's suppose you onboarded a vManager, another going to onboard the controller. One is going to make the underlay connectivity for the iNet, another is going to make the underlay connectivity for the MPLS. So this is how you have to manage, because arranging dedicated lab nowadays very challenging, right? Not resource available. So in going forward, this is how training is going to happen. At least 2% must be saved the lab, else that is.
That इसमें थोड़ा दिक्कत भी होगा, तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में इशू होगा ना, क्योंकि मान लीजिए कि सपोज आफ्टर एमपीएस के कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कर रहा है और मैं इंटरनेट के कर रहा हूँ, तो अगर मैं प्रैक्टिकली नहीं करूँगा तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा.
Ranjan, I would suggest Tuan is here, right? So we should speak in English only, right? To respect his.
Yes,
Yeah,
sorry.
So
Sorry.
yeah, that's correct, right? I totally agree. But give me 1 second. Why this is not working? Let me try. See, so if you're doing the CLI configuration, Ranjan, right? So you have to make a slot, right? 30-minute do your configuration. So you watching now what he is doing that. Now you do your configuration, he is watching. So that is my recommendation. You have to do like that.
Okay.
All right.
I will make it with that, sir.
And sir, 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃, how are you?
Good. How are you, 𝗃𝗃𝗃?
I'm good, sir. Actually, I have uploaded all the routers except this one, VH6.
Yeah, VS6. Yeah, I noted. So this VS6, you have the wrong image, right? You're not able to get this image, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So for timing, you can hold on. I'll push the image for the all labs for this one. Okay. Meanwhile, you just did template configuration and everything. This is the optional. This router is optional at all.
Yes,
This
I
is
did all the configuration with the CLI.
great job. No, what a template? What a template?
Yes, the template actually I did not get time yesterday because there was no power on that area. So that
Okay.
was it. And today when I tried to log in the routers, it is showing the interfaces are different now. Let me share my screen if you can allow me.
Okay, let me see your screen.
This VS is even not working for me as well. I think this is the having problem with all the labs, right?
Yeah, VS is not working for everyone. No, not going to work for anyone. And you guys can ignore it. VS is not part of our agenda.
Actually, wanted to
Okay, no worry. I will put it. Don't worry. I will put it. I will push the image. Only I need to push the image to every lab. Still, it's pending from my side. Don't worry. Meanwhile, you can just continue with other things.
Sure.
VS is not going to road blocker.
The interfaces are changed in 9, 10, 11. That's why I'm just.
Okay. So that's a weird, what I can say, bug in the 𝗂𝗁𝗏𝗃. Okay. So to fix this, let me. Okay, just hold on.
All the routers, all the siege routers.
Yeah, I got it, sir. I got it. Let me give the workaround. It's happened for me as well. So.
And all the onboarded devices, they are unreachable. I said.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to give the workaround for that. Wait for a while. So I'm pasting 2 command in chat, and everyone just keep that. So in case you are having such issues, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. The one command I pasted here, and another command I pasted here. So can you share your screen, RK, right away?
I don't know. My browser is.
You're the co-host now.